Today video I'm gonna show you how to make a viral AI hack video. As you can see right there, it turned the photo into the video. First, you need to make sure you have TikTok. Just go ahead and go into TikTok, and then you're gonna go into search. You're gonna search for hack me filter, something like that. You're gonna find the first one. Go ahead and click on it, and then click use this effect, and it's gonna go into your front camera. All you have to do, you can like take your video, or you can upload an image. So let me go ahead and upload my image real quick, and something like that. It's going to generate your effect. You can like click on continue generating in draft. Like it may take a while, so usually after you create it, you're gonna go into profile here, and you're gonna find your draft. So it will be right here. Now it is processing, so it may take a while. For me, it's about like 10 to 15 minutes, and after that you should be able to save the video and upload into TikTok or any platform that you like. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video.